Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I'm gonna make my first meal ever in my Saladmaster E.O.C. and it's chicken. I already marinated the chicken and I used curry powder a little bit. I used some oregano. Yeah, I put oregano in everything. I put some fresh ginger. I always grate my ginger and I put it in the fridge. And I also put some garlic, fresh garlic. And I've been marinating that chicken for about 2 hours now. And this is how it looks like. I also put a little bit of salt and some white onion. I was out of the red. I prefer red onion. And I also put just a little bit of chicken broth just to give me a little bit of soup. I'm going to preheat the E.O.C. and I'm going to preheat it to 375. Right there. And I'll wait for it until it's ready to heat and then we'll put the chicken.
A few moments later.
And how to tell if it's ready, I'm going to pour some water and it should bounce around. Okay, not yet, just a little bit. Okay, let's check again. There you go. So that's ready now. I'm gonna start putting the chicken now. Ooh, I can smell. I'm gonna put the rest of the mixture of the marinade. And that's it. So I'm gonna cover it now. And when the vapor valve starts calling me, and it's gonna call me by doing that, I'll come back and turn this down to low. So right now we are on medium. That's the whole convenient thing about the Saladmaster, this whole kitchen system. It's very convenient. You just put your food there, and I'm gonna go watch TV until that valve starts calling me, like it starts vibrating. Then I'm gonna come back and turn down the food to low and let the chicken cook. I'll be back. I can smell it. I'm gonna turn this down now because that valve is really going crazy. So I'm gonna turn it way down to maybe 150 and let it cook real slow. I turned it off. Let's see. Ooh, that has formed a seal. Ooh, that looks wonderful. The chicken is cooked and it tastes pretty good. Overall, I love this thing. It was pretty quick. I will be back with some more recipes. So I'm gonna see what I can cook up my sleeve. Thank you so much guys for watching. Be kind to others and be kind to yourselves. Bye.